Yesterday, here at the Bank of America, this was a complete gut out that was needed. All of the overhead AC vacs and ducts were completely demoed. And if you see laying around, a lot of this stuff was actually torn out. This approximately took about, looks like 12 hours to do it. But these guys, actually, there's 4 guys that was down here yesterday from Pit Stop Demolition, did an outstanding job. So we look forward to doing business with you in the near future. If you feel that you need demolition services done, please call 708-808-4766, and we will provide any demolition interior services for you. Again, this is at Bank of America, 105 Madison, downtown Chicago, Illinois. Thank you. I look forward to doing business with you.
Yeah, we're going to be coming to you so right here.